Hi guys, this is a review on the Marlboro Red 100s. I'm sorry about the wind, but can't help that. It's dark and my porch light's on. But anyways, I know I need a haircut, but anyways, let's get started on the review. First of all, there's only a couple cigarettes left in this, and my pack, I don't know how this happened, but my pack's broken right there, but hopefully you don't have to be bothered by that. This is It says Marlboro 100s. It don't say Reds. It says Marlboro 100s. It says filtered cigarettes right there. 20 Class A cigarettes, and on the bottom it says Marlboro 100s. And you see that little blue thing right there? That tells you what state it's in, like different colors for different states. It says warning on the side. Right here it says, what does it say? Underage sale prohibited. I figured that. I already took the foil stuff out, and you already know what that is and all that, so I don't have to tell you that, hopefully. Really nice box design. It's kind of like the black, basically, just with a red triangle instead. They call these the cowboy killers. Well, because they're strong. They're probably one of the strongest cigarettes out. It's got two lines right there. In the middle, it's got a crown and a circle around it. It says PM USA. This is for Philip Morris. On this side, it says, let's get the Philip Morris USA, Richmond, Virginia. I think this is the only pack of cigarettes that, well, one of the only packs I've seen that don't have the number inside. Anyways, let's get a cigarette out. Oh, looks just like the black. I got a review on the black if you see that. It's got a quart filter. It says Marlboro. Hold on. It says Marlboro right there. My computer's weird. It's got two gold bands around it, as you can see there. The color, it's pretty dark. Pretty dark color. Not seeing much light. Got my Walmart gas station lighter, which was about 50 cents. Oh yeah, I didn't do the sniff test. Forget about that. Really rich smell. Really rich. Probably the strongest cigarette I've ever had was Marlboro Red. Alright, really rich, not getting mild or anything. Let's do a drop up. Tastes a little bit of tobacco. Really rich flavor. When I do drop hops, I don't really taste that. Taste more of the filter. Well, as far up. Sorry, guys, I'm watching. Alright, I'm not gonna tell you how it was. First, I'm gonna do a taste test. But yeah, just like a really mild cigar, like you would get like in a Swisher Sweet, like a normal Swisher Sweet, not the flavored, just normal. That's what it tastes like. Don't get any mild taste to it. It's really heavy. Let's do a regular hit. Yeah, it's pretty smooth going down because I'm used to these. If you're not really used to them, that could be a little bit harsh. Now, the taste, like I said, it's still strong. It's still pretty strong. They're pretty expensive actually. Where I get them, they're around $6. Some places are like 7 or 8. Depends where you go. But let's do a full body inhale. Don't hurt going down, no pins and needles, nothing like that. Don't irritate me at all. Um, sorry about that. Some people it could. Depends who you are. Not me though. Sorry. Alright, let's do the nose test. Yeah, it's a little harsh going through your nose, and I kind of feel it in the back of my throat. I don't know. Feel it in the back of my throat a little bit. Going out, going out of my nose, really, I don't really feel it, but it's got that one weird taste, like, you know, like you get an electronic cigarette if you ever had one, and then the flavor goes out of it. That's what it tastes like. I'm not doing review. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna do reviews on electronic cigarettes because the things don't last that long and they're too dang expensive. But anyways, after you get down so far, it'll start to kick more, like give you more of that actual feeling in your throat and stuff. But if you can see the paper, it looks like on the screen it might look brown a little bit, but that's actually black. There's no brown whatsoever. The paper quality is good. It burns fairly slow. It burns like a Pall Mall. Paper quality good. Let's see how it's keeping that tar and stuff out. I see a lot. It's a lot of orange or yellow. I'm not sure if that means that it's getting it out or not. If it's keeping it in, it might go inside you. That's why they're called cowboy killers. Crap, I hate this thing. It's tight right there, so that's good. It's not loose on you and stuff. It catches everything. So I guess it does keep it out. But all the rest of the chemicals are still going in you. But it's no big deal if you're a smoker. I guess you already know. I don't gotta tell you that crap. I really recommend the cigarette if you're used to smoking. If you're not, don't go with these. They don't have perforations. I don't have any comments on my videos. I need some comments. I need some people to tell me what to do on the next cigarette review. Like, I was gonna do NXTs, but I didn't get no comments. I got a pack of NXTs in my house, but I'm not gonna do anything in order unless somebody gives me something to do. It's the way I wrote. I am 18. Go to Cool Cig Reviews. You might find me. I'm on Marlboro Black Review. That's the only other one I got. But yeah, that's it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna be a douche and cut off the camera right away. I'm actually gonna smoke my cigarette with you. That's how cool I am. I'm not gonna say I'm cool, but that's how generous I am. I'm gonna smoke my cigarette with you. Smoke when I smoke. If you're a normal smoker, that's cool. If you're a light smoker, I suggest you go to lights or ultra lights. If you don't smoke all the time. If you're like a one cigarette a weekend, 2 cigarettes a weekend, I just suggest you don't smoke at all. I mean, what's the point in that really? You buy e-cig and save money doing that. Yeah. It is really cold outside, guys. If you got any comments, you want to ask me any questions you want, it don't really have to be related to cigarettes. Anything you want, just leave a comment at the bottom. I'll get back to you. I promise I'll check my comments. It's not a big deal. And tell me if I smoke too fast or too slow for you, and I'll try to keep the pace going on. I'll try to keep it at a good pace. Like some people say, you're smoking too slow or smoking too fast. I'll try to keep it at a good pace. But I'm going to try to smoke like you want me to smoke. But, yeah. I don't condone to minors. I did start when I was 14. I don't know, but I don't condone the minors. Don't really know what else to say. I guess I'll just kick back. Freaking camera keeps cutting off. I'll just kick back, relax, enjoy my cigarette. Trying to French now, I cannot do that. Actually, I'll try. It's too windy to do it, actually. My face look weird right there. I can't inhale when I French now. I have to keep it in my mouth like a cigar and then suck it through my nose. Can't do rings right now either. I can do rings and French now. But I can't do rings because it's too freaking windy outside. I'm surprised I could even do French now. Nope. Nope. So there's my brother. It's no big deal. I'm almost done with the cigarette. I got one more hit left. So some people like to smoke to the filter, but that's not me. So enjoy the rest of your cigarette, or if you're done, hopefully you enjoyed it. If not, well, I guess that's your problem, but catch you on the next one. If you watch my next video, I'm not going to say catch you on the next one, even though I just said it, but I'm going to take that back, because you might not watch my next video, but if you do, I'm going to smoke with you every freaking time. That's what's up, ain't it? Okay, later.